Alrighty guys, we've got a Velocity coming in. This is from Melbourne. It'll be coming into Bendigo station, then joining with another train from Echuca, and then forming a Southern Cross station service. Go up and film the other train couple to it. Right, there's another Velocity coming in. This train's going to couple with the other one, and then they will form a Southern Cross service. VL60 returning from Echuca. They're just coupling. VL60 and VL26. Alrighty, VL26 is ready to depart for Southern Cross. That's VL26 and VL60. So there's T400. It's there, I think, maybe with an X class or a G class or something for the light loco transfer back to Melbourne. Now, unfortunately, this won't be running today, so I won't be able to see it moving, but at least I got a photo of it, which is good enough for me. I'll be back tomorrow to catch the train back to Melbourne.